Good afternoon to all of you. This is Ranjan from smartfinancing.com, and this is our website and smartfinancing.com, and you are seeing my video on a particular software tool what we have called Smart Trading Tool. So this is an analytic tool. So this particular tool helps you in your decision process, but same time I will again say this is not a tool which can initiate the trade for you. So this doesn't do any initiation of trade and all. Whatever Elliott study, Fibonacci study, volatility study, it will just do the analysis, computations, and then based on that, you have to take a call based on your risk assumptions. So coming to this particular software, so this is, I am going to today discuss about the volatility study. So on this volatility segment, we have volatility analysis, we have one standard deviation analysis, we have analysis on volatility calculated using the LN value. This volatility analysis, it is a just random volatility estimate. So based on the data points, then this is volatility using the open, high, low, close data. So then we are normalizing all data and finding out the drift. So these are the particular available in this. We also have a volatility scanner to know that a group of stock whose volatility is rising, whose volatility is falling, and a summary section. So out of the volatility study, how many studies are supporting a buy and how many studies are neutral and how many are supporting a sell. So currently when I am just recording this event at 10th September around 12.28. So this is what it is saying that 80% of volatility study in the favor of a purchase. However, the 120% it is the favor of the neutral. So this particular volatility analysis, if you look into, this is a random volatility analysis. Current price is future price 2570, 25070. So this gives you that the uptrend cycle starts from 25095, downtrend cycle starts from 25045. So this uptrend cycle can propel till 25203. This downtrend cycle can propel till 24967. So this is what it suggests. Again, I repeat, this is a decision process software. This does not initiate the trade for you. This doesn't compel you to initiate any trade. It is just initiating or analyzing the data for you. So same way, if I am going for the one standard deviation process, this says that now the price which is like 25070, it is in the uptrend buy entry to target one. In this zone it is residing, and it has a growth cluster till 25122. There one trend will find a toughest resistance. If it can penetrate, it can go to the second cycle and third cycle. So this is the downward cycle. So this is what the one standard deviation is. So here volatility random analysis based on whatever the data point it has created today. One is the one standard deviation, and here we take the LN method. So till yesterday, whatever the Nifty price happened, LN method, natural logarithmic method is being taken, and here what happens, we are taking the 10 days data, and based on that we are finding its absolute return, average absolute return, and working on that. Then this similar principle is being utilized for OHLs, open, high, low, close. So here the market's end point, the closing price is being taken for LN and volatility estimate happened. One standard deviation, we use the GARCH method for estimating the volatility. Based on that, these levels or uptrend level, downtrend level is being generated. Here historic past 10 days data is being taken. This too also takes the historic past 10 days data, but it will take OHLC, open, high, low, close. Four things it will take. Then comes to the drift volatility. So here one range of volatility. So when we talk about volatility of a 5%, that means it is constant 5%. So volatility is 5%, constant 5%. So here this drift says volatility cannot be a constant factor of 5%. It may vary between 5 to 5.75. So this is a low drift, there is a high drift. So lower drift means if volatility fall, to what extent it can fall, and based on that volatility, how much price range will be reset and what will be the level. If the volatility rises today, then what maximum it can rise, and based on that, what will be the price range, what will be the depth it can create. You can see low depth, lower volatility is giving a lesser depth, higher volatility is giving a higher depth. So this is how your volatility, lower drift and higher drift. So these are the 5 different studies of volatility taken on different data. So this is what you have to understand. One is on the random analysis, whatever the volatility is there, based on the data available till 12:30, it initiates. Second one is one based on the graphs, it takes the volatility, utilize the one standard deviation and give you the things. Other three studies based on the historic data and current data together. It is not taking only till 9th September. Till 10th September action also it takes. These three things also it can. So here, this is the analysis you can utilize for your intraday positional analysis. Beyond that, we have given one more study, intraday top and bottom. So this is being done using the VIX. Yes, Nifty is having a VIX. Wherever VIX is not there, we are taking other parameters. So here, so whenever VIX is present, VIX is being taken. So VIX is not there for all other indices like your various stocks, Bank Nifty, that doesn't have a VIX. So we take volatility as per their price data and using the GARS method. So this is what we have estimated for the intraday top and bottom. So once the market open, it is done. So you can say currently the value what you are popping in here 25,067 to 78. So 2570 is the future. So this is the future value. So one by one different top is being on different top is being estimated. So you can see currently if I can see the future value, it is 75, 87 it has gone, 75 it is trading. So you can very well estimate here that intraday top. Now here 11th top we have met. So if that is in a day, we give 17th top in all odd tops. Then we have another volatility study which is top and bottom calculation using historic data. So last month, what was the high? What was the low? What is the lowest VIX? What is the highest VIX? Based on that, what is the top? So you can see that already we have given 25,300, 25,300, 200 plus. This is spot data we have to utilize. So here, from here, there is a reversal came. So you can see that till 700 and odd, we have gone for 24,700 and odd, 755 level we have come from here, 755, 24,755 from here, the bounce back has happened. So the top which is being created at 25,131 has a retracement till 24,760, then that has moved up. So then these are the spot Nifty level again I will be telling. So bottom has not been created. So this is one part. Then comes to the volatility scanner. So this volatility scanner scans with respect to the Nifty, the stocks which will be having a rising volatility, falling volatility, or it is having a no change in the volatility. So here you are categorically finding out the stocks having a very, means you can say rising volatility trend, means that volatility is going up. So these are the stocks whose volatility is falling down, and these are the stocks those who have no change in the volatility. They are still in the whatever yesterday was there, today also same thing. So this is as per their yesterday's data. So yesterday what happened, based on that only it is giving. So Z score is there. So if we want to see what happens currently, so you have to click there. So know that their current Z score is this much. So volatility is falling and Z score also is in a falling trend. So how to utilize that things? It is already given. So correlations and Z score that gives you specific indications for your intraday trades or for your short-term investment. So again, I will say this is not a trading tool, not a algo app. It's an analytic app. You can analyze various studies using program, and these studies are openly present in my YouTube. It is in my books. It is in my courses everywhere. So how to test this tool? So visit our website smartfinancing.com. This is the smart_tool.php. Here you can download the desktop editions as well as Android edition and start trading or start analyzing your trade using this tool. Analyzing your trade using this tool. So keep using this tool, give your feedback if any, and improve your analysis through these studies. These are the unique studies. This is based on the volatility. We have given a prolonged set of analysis. These are unique studies. It will definitely help you in your trend focus. So thank you very much. Thank you for your